So I got this boat given to me and had to do a lot of work, almost done, ready to put it in the water, and realized that you can't have this type of air filter out on the water. You have to have a spark arrestor on the top. So I looked all over the internet, nowhere. $300, $400, $500 for one that goes over all of them for this Volvo B30 engine. So I made them, and this is very easy, and that's why I'm making this video. So I bought this 40 mesh stainless steel mesh from Amazon. It was very inexpensive, like $13 for more than enough than I'll ever use. I took it over here, set it out about this far for that size of those, turn this on, just cut them like that, made 3 of them. Now, you take these, you roll them to size, you just fit them right in there. And I'll show you the product when it's done. And that is more than enough. 4 wraps. I think I got 3 or 4 wraps on it. 3 is all you need, so that the spark can't get out, but you can still get air. And yeah, so I'll show the after effect when I get done here. And it didn't take me, oh, maybe an hour, if that. And there they are. And those are spark arrested, and you still get airflow. And they're the Coast Guard legal in Idaho anyways.